So I'm here at speechcentral.net. Once you just type that as any URL, you'll find yourself on the screen. It seems like Speech Central, the world leading AI text-to-speech app. So you can download this in Microsoft Store, in Google Play, and the Mac App Store or App Store. So it's an application, it's not a website, it seems. So, okay, let me just go and download it through the Microsoft Store then. I'm going with the free trial. Let me just go and open the Microsoft Store. It is paid, it seems. So how about the free trial? Can I get it without adding a card, or do I have to add a card? We'll be able to see right now. So I'll keep it, or I'll wait until it's finished downloading. Then I'm gonna come back. So once it's finished downloading, I'll find this open trial and go and click on it. And as you can see, it's opened an app for me. So on the left panel, I do have here settings. I guess I can adjust the settings of the speech. So I do have here languages. You can add the language, it seems. Yeah, depending on my PC. Okay. You can adjust the speed, voice pitch, volume, pronunciation. And I guess this is okay. So I can find archive stuff, what I recently deleted, books and articles and headlines. I click on the plus, popular sites, space, or websites. What about here? You can just order stuff. Okay. So I don't think I can upload something like a PDF or I don't know. Let me just go back to here is it. So do they have anything else? So Ultimate Voices. Can I hear the voices from here? No. So the PDF can read the real contents. So it seems like a can read PDFs, but in the app that they have here, doesn't seem like there is a place to upload something. So I do have add popular sites as example. I can add the sites and read from that site. And I can choose a website to read from as well. Or I can paste. What can I paste? Okay.
Speech Central. Speech Central introduces cached cloud audio for cost-free. Bring your own AI voice with full control.
You can see like here it starts playing. Don't know what does that do.
Bring your own AI voice with.
Let's make it like faster. Or I can choose to speak slower, quicker. I can add this basically the settings. So it doesn't seem to have any limitations on the free trial, but I don't know when the free trial will end. Do they have any like information here? What about if I like type speech central pricing? So let me just see those first two. So they have speech central, the one that I'm using. It's just $10 per lifetime. Free tier, family sharing, CarPlay, and stuff like that. So it does for the speech has like example the 500,000 characters per month in Microsoft for Speech Central, personal voice iOS 17 for all voices example for the speech settings. So this is actually a bit confusing. It doesn't look very well organized. So yeah, let me see the second the second one's just taking me here. So we do have here tour, schools. How about schools? Speech Central free, okay, 12 like text-to-speech app for Chromebooks and iPads. So we have here blogs and resources that I guess I can read from. So yeah, it's basically an app. You can even scan the QR code to download. It's not a website thing like a lot of other websites or tools that are text-to-speech. So yeah, I'll just go here and upload, or I'm going to copy something and
The
big
post Speech
text. So
Central
let me
on
just
top
go here
chart
and
in Mac
add
App Store appeared first
and paste
on.
something.
Reduce motion
Okay,
accessibility
let me
in.
stop this. Can I like somehow delete this? So select all. Yeah, I can delete. What is this? Open original, share. And what does that do? Okay, it doesn't show language and pin. So for me, I'm just going to delete it. Let me just go here and paste something. Let me just click on Control V. Okay. Seems like I can just go to popular sites and read from as an example. So maybe this one, click on OK. If I click on OK, I'll be able to go to the site.
The Guardian.
Seems like it's
Andrew Hastie firms as a candidate to challenge for Liberal lead.
Yeah, the voices actually doesn't sound as good as a lot of other websites, especially it's a paid app. So I guess I'm using just a free trial. I don't know how much the free trial will stay, but I would assume 7 days or maybe a month max. I don't think it's more than that. Maybe then they will not allow me to use the application anymore. So here you can see the version stuff. I don't think I can see other than that. Face assistance. Okay, I'm just going to enable that as well. I don't know what does it do. Here you have just the headings, books and articles. Here you'll be able to, oh yeah, so from books and articles you can import a file. Okay, that's good. So I guess this supports OCR. Let me just go and try to import something like this PDF.
The ideal text-to-speech tool in 2020.
So it's imported the PDF very well. So the PDF that I uploaded here was just a text PDF, and PDF that includes like text, so it reads correctly. I can also import, like it seems, a text file. It has the same script, so no need to do it, but as you can see here,
The ideal text-to-speech tool in.
And I'll try to upload now a PDF file that has a picture. So to test as example if the OCR is working. Let me see.
Cases. A lower priced plan with fewer but meaningful characters, high quality voices, and full access to core features
like
would be a better deal than high tier plans.
Because like the PDF that I uploaded here was an OCR or a picture, not text like the first one here. And yeah, it seems like it's working. Sometimes
it should be able to read almost anything.
Like this one here.
People shooting and hashtag
and let me show you the PDF that I uploaded. As you can see, here is it. Let me just go up and show you. So this is actually a picture. I cannot select anything. I cannot do anything here. Yeah. So that's good. It can use OCR, but it glitches sometimes.
You have to worry about the file.
But it doesn't seem to have a lot of glitches. Like once I notice here, second one here, third one here, fourth, fifth one, I guess 5 for all of this. But you'd notice like if something is different, like
whether if the PDE Word document, and so on.
And just go back.
The ideal text-to-speech tool.
It should be able to read almost anything. People shooting and hashtag 39.
So yeah, you would understand that something is wrong when you
have to worry about the file type. Whether if the PDE Word document.
That should be it, I guess. So we do have archive place here. If I want to archive some stuff, we have the recently deleted one. If you deleted anything, as example, you can delete it forever if you click on delete. Or maybe if
the Guardian.
I come here as example,
it's the sovereignty of the country, Guinea-Bissau.
So if I deleted something by mistake, I'll be able to just come here as example in case it's back. Let me try as example.
The ideal text-to-speech tool and
close it. And can I select this? So yeah, I want to select this.
The ideal text-to-speech.
Okay, select it, and if there is a delete button, recently deleted, I can click on it. And I would assume this is a restore button, right? Yeah, so it's back
Speech
here.
tool in 2026 should.
Okay. Let me just
the ideal text-to-speech tool.
And click on those 3 and delete them all to check if it's really like restoring them. So yeah, everything is restored. So as you can see, you can delete, restore. You can find here like the headlines where you can import like websites and stuff. Here on books and articles where you can upload like files, and you'll be able to hear it. As you can see, you cannot choose voices. Like to choose which voices, probably use the voice that you have in your PC. Like default voice that comes with Microsoft. If you have the app in your phone, it might be a little bit different than that. I guess on the settings from here you can change the language. Oh, so the voices, you can actually change the languages from here, or the voices. But as you can see, so all the voices, those are Microsoft's voices. So I wouldn't assume they are good, but let me hear some other voice. Why not?
The ideal text-to-speech tool.
Or maybe that was Mark anyway. So
The ideal text-to-speech tool in 2020.
The ideal text-to-speech tool in the ideal text-to-speech.
So as you can see, like those are the voices that we have, 3 here. You can add
The
a new
ideal
voice,
text-to-speech
but
tool in
some
2026
apps
should
installed. So
OCR
let
a
me just
balanced.
stop this first.
The ideal text-to-speech tool in 2026
Let me stop it forever.
should OCR a balanced and fair approach to care.
It should be able to read.
Just delete it all so it don't read it any time again. So here, let me click on that. So as you can see, some apps install voices that can be used by Speech Central. We are not affiliated with any of those apps, and we can't grant the quality of those products, but we have put reasonable effort to test that those voices work well with Speech Central. So as you can see, some 2 apps here that you can use, and I guess you'll be able to add them. But those voices cost money, as you can see right here. So you can add those voices, but for a price. Like this is the first app that they showed me, or the first link, and this is the second link. So I can click on random people like this guy. I can add to cart, so it's probably gonna be like with costs. So let's see the costs of that, and just go here and sign up with Google. And yeah, let me just go and click on continue. And it should normally show me the price of that voice. I just want to show you the price, so just click on the cards. So yeah, there is a price for every voice in here. Here you can edit the voice settings, and here you can choose languages. Of course, the languages will be depending on your PC as well, so you can add any speech language from here. And yeah, you can add voices also from here if you want to for other languages, as you can see. So it depends on your or where you downloaded the app. So if I download this maybe in my phone, it might be different. It might use my Apple Siri voice. It might use my Android, like I don't know, Gemini voice or something like that. So I guess yeah, that's about Speech Central.